투어가 뭐가 있나 좀 알아보다가 바닷가에 떠다닐 수 있는 경비행기를 타고 시애틀을 한 20분 정도 돌아다니는 그런 이제 투어가 있더라고요. 조금 가격이 나가는데 친구들이랑 같이 중국 음식 먹고 그 시플레인 타러 가도록 하겠습니다. Hey, hey, how's it going? Okay, let's go to the Chinese place.
Woohoo!
Do anything special?
I had dance class today.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. Yep. Which one was it? What's the
Wannabe.
Wannabe? Yeah. Yeah. How much did you pay?
It's $120 for 4 classes.
Oh, not bad.
Yeah, not bad at all.
So, and like it's a one-on-one
I know it's a group, but they keep it small so that at the end we can do like a
showcase.
performance. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Oh, Peggy.
Hello.
Hi.
Anything except for chicken feet.
So we have 2 chicken feet and
Yeah.
That's all we're gonna have. Okay, all right.
So then we read the directions and it does say like
Okay.
It was great. Even
Thank you.
tried
Did you make it by watch? Okay.
like we're launching too many. I feel like y'all would end up making money just like by having the free time. Like your channels would get bigger and
Maybe, yeah. 아마 이런 비행기를 오늘 타게 될 것 같은데요. 재밌을 것 같네요. 근데 20분 정도밖에 안 타게 될 것 같아서 조금 아쉽긴 한데.
You guys here for 6 o'clock?
7.
Oh, okay, good. Cause
We'd be late if we were.
Daniela, Colleen, Nancy. I'm like, definitely 2 dudes, man.
Nancy.
One, so that must be Daniela. 140 pounds. Wayne's your pilot. I'm just retrieving y'all on a day off with my wife. I don't know, you know, you're a pilot. You probably get chicks all over you and stuff. You got no idea, babe. How fast I can make. You like Wayne?
these are the Charlie's Angels. All right, welcome guys.
Awesome. 왜 엄청 말이 많네. 너무 많아. 비행기를 타러 가는데 너무 멋진 것 같아. 아, 진짜 멋있다.
Right, it's limbo time.
We got
Yeah, you can do it. Oh, you guys.
plane has 2 exits, one on the left here and one on the right. There. What was your name?
영.
So the
Go to the right seat once you're in.
All right, like a lady. There we go.
Got it?
Yep. All good.
take some time off, but I work my ass off during the summer. I have had 1 day off in the last month. I have over 85 hours of overtime for last month.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
And we have 2 different airplanes. So I was flying the small one earlier, and my boss was flying this, and then we just switched. He likes to go home early. He gives me the big plane at night. You guys got lucky. You got the big one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Woo! Like, that was awesome.
Yeah. It was really cool.
Yeah.
Well, thank you again.
Thank you. 꽤 멋있네요. 근데 햇빛이 너무 많이 들어가지고 앞자리에는 부분이 근데 뭐 진짜 멋있었습니다. 일단 시애틀을 전반적으로 다 볼 수 있다는 게 진짜 좋았던 것 같아요. 좀 더웠다. 햇빛이 너무 많이 들어가지고 그것 빼곤 다 좋았던 것 같습니다. 그러니까 뭐저 비행기인데 120마일이 최고 속도라고 하네요. 샌디에이고까지 자동차 타고 25시간 걸리는데 비행기 타면 12시간 정도 걸린다고 하네요. 다음에 또 할 것이냐. 이게 109불이었어요. 한 번으로 족하지 않나. 하여튼 진짜 멋있었고 다음에 또 재밌는 거를 보여드리도록 하겠습니다.